once again, we need just to be methodical about this. So we've got one in the back, so it's going to be one like that, isn't it? And then two underneath it, two underneath it. So let's just look at the top three, only that. That's right, that isn't, that isn't, that isn't, that is. So even if we stop at that point, we've got 50-50. So one, and then two there, and then it's only two underneath. You can notice that two is halfway between those two, and then one underneath like that. But they've added this extra bit. Ooh, naughty, naughty. So the answer is number 5. Scrolling down. Now this looks a bit like a factory, doesn't it? Like a good factory. So we've got two buildings here. 1, 2. Hang on, let's get a bigger button. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh, that hasn't. So we'll get rid of that. And this one, can you see those? They're in a nice straight line, aren't they? This one, they're a little bit offset. So it's not that. We've now got a 1 in 3 chance. These big chimneys, none of them are on this first building. So it's not on that one, is on that one, isn't on that one. Right. So now we come to the chimneys. We want a thin chimney on this side. Thin chimney, thin chimney. I think that's too close to the middle, don't you? That's quite tight up to the end. That one is, that one isn't. Let's just check the other one. Nice long one. Yeah, it's a bit too short, isn't it? That one wouldn't look like that, so it's not 4 either. So our answer was 1. Notice in this section they're A, B, C, the questions, and then the answer options are 1, 2, 3, just to sort of keep everybody on their toes. And now the final one. Let's have a look. So we've got 1 there, and then 2 underneath, like bricks. 1, 2, 3. So let's just check that one. That one has. This one hasn't. This one's got 1, 2, 3. This one, that one, it should be sort of in the middle there, which it isn't. And that one has got 1 missing there, so that's missing. And then, so there's our triangle. And then this side has got 1 underneath, just so we want 1 underneath. Only 1 underneath. That's got 1 here, so that's not it. There we are. I've already got our answer. And then notice this one, that is halfway between that and the gap, so it would be there, which is also true. It's always worth having a sneaky look just in case there was something that we missed earlier, because let's be honest, that happens.